How's it going today, everybody? I am getting ready kind of for like a, budget adventure, I guess. I just got the truck all cleaned out, finally. I can't even think how long since I've seen that empty. We got the truck getting set up to actually be ready to go. You know I want to do some fishing, so there's that. All right, we're all loaded up. I think we're going to the Ipperwash beach right now. I should know where we're going because I'm the one driving, but we're going to Ipperwash beach right now to start with. And who knows where I'll end up after that. That's a good spot to start fishing. We're on our way to Ipperwash beach. I don't know if I said that yet. But I found out from a friend
at the light,
that
left onto Ontario 21 South.
You can drive out onto the beach. And I figured, hey, that'd be a pretty good time. Drive out onto the beach and fish out of the back of the truck. See if I catch anything off the shore. Even if I don't, be a good view. A nice crispy day today. I don't know the exact temp. I think it's around 30 degrees, which is pretty decent. Yeah, and we're back on the highway. Good spot to fish down here, but we're not stopping there at the moment. I really got to get a shot of that Bayfield Bridge at night. I wonder, depending on what time it is that we're heading back, if I come back through this way tonight, might be able to get that in this video because it is nice. It's very nice. Beautiful. Yep. Absolutely. Beat up from work. My hands were all soft and girly from working in the office, so now they're getting toughened up again.
I don't wanna make another motherfucking slow song. 20 bad bitches in the club, keep your clothes on. I don't wanna be rich, I don't wanna lay here. I just wanna give my family everything they need. Check, mama, I made it. I never left it up to fate, waiting karma or praying. I'm fucking hungry.
Turn right onto Army Camp Road, County Road 3. Signs for Army Camp Road West. Continue on County Road 3 for 3 kilometers.
I think we're getting close because the reserve gas station that it's by is just over there, so we should be getting close. There we are. Welcome to Ipperwash. Oh, there's a beach. Yeah, because I want the part where you can drive out onto it. I don't know if I saw a spot there where you could do that. Okay, no, I don't think I passed it. I just,
Turn
there's
left onto Upper Wash Road.
2 entrances, I guess. Or a bunch. I see a lot of sand though, so like. You can see around the corner. There we go.
Turn left onto West Parkway Drive.
I wanted me to turn left. Hang on.
Make a U-turn, then turn left onto East Parkway Drive.
Water access. No trailers, no parking beyond this point. Okay, yeah, no, we don't want that. We'll keep going up. Wait, what's that? Let's bring it closer to the park I want.
Turn left onto East Parkway Drive. To West Parkway Drive.
Would you shut up? Thank you. Oh, this is pretty neat. Pretty sure how far out you can go, but it's pretty sweet. I guess we're gonna find out. It's pretty sweet. Nice out here. This is really cool. I've never driven out onto a beach like this before. Oh, that view is insane. This is pretty sweet. I think we're gonna end up going down there some more. But dang. Had to take in the view for a second. Huh. It's pretty awesome. Very awesome. We'll let this truck go by and then keep on heading down. Or maybe I should park right here to try and guess. So I could go out onto there. And,
Live streaming?
not live streaming, but I am content creator.
TikTok?
YouTube and Facebook. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're making our way down the beach. Just I should have told them my name on YouTube. I forgot. They were just asking me about if I'm live streaming. Totally forgot to tell them my name. That's okay. I'm new at this. Not new enough to say that I forgot my name, but new. I apparently forgot to film the end of the beach. After reaching the end of the beach, I had to spin around and go find a spot to park, and maybe see if I could cast a line. is wickedly amazing out here right now. I'm very glad I brought shorts. The one thing I didn't think about though when I did come is I didn't think about any food or anything. So, you know, it'd be nice to catch something to bring back and cook. Truck a little closer to the beach, but I don't want to get stuck. I can get the truck a little closer to the beach so I can sit on the tailgate a little comfier, but I don't want to get stuck. We're not four-wheel drive yet. Look at how mucky and sandy this is. Using a little wormy guy. Now I know off of a beach is probably not the ideal place to go lake fishing. But I thought I'd give it a shot while I'm here.
Drop a comment if you like having music in the background of shots like this, or if you just like hearing the natural sounds. Really helps me out. Thanks.
Pretty mucky water. I'm not a very mucky water. Woo! Look how muddy that is. I don't think we're going to catch that in this water. Good. Where's the hook? Here it is. Definitely going to start with this. That's okay. Still enjoy it. I think I'm gonna go put some shorts on. Much better. I know the moving day video was kind of boring for some of you, so hopefully this makes up for that. I don't know what it is about sitting on a beachfront. It just seems to make all your stress levels take a huge nosedive. This is the kind of stuff I'm into, by the way. This is what I want to do more of. More into nature, more camping.
After about an hour beachside, I was ready to go find somewhere to actually give a good go at fishing.
Alright, so we got off the beach. That was an awesome time. Spent like just over an hour there. It's hot. It's definitely hot, especially when you didn't bring anything to drink. We're just on our way to go grab a little bit of cheap petrol since we're over here, and then figure out what to do next. Guys, let's get some gas.
What's gonna get for you?
I'll do 30 regular, please. Okay, so right now we're on our way to, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a conservation area, so I think we're allowed to fish. It'd be pretty stupid if Google gave me a place that I can't fish when I Google the place to fish. So, we'll check it out, see how it is. It's not supposed to be super far away, so I'm sure we'll get there pretty quickly. I could definitely see how there's hiking.
Your destination is on the left.
Might have to get out and look at that map actually. I'm not 100% sure if you're allowed to, if there's even any water, because the dune section's closed. And I'm not sure I want to risk trekking through the woods with all the ticks right now, because I'm in shorts. Alright, so kind of a bust on the conservation area. There was no water really close by, and there was a bunch of closures inside the conservation area, so I didn't even want to bother trying. Especially that I'm in shorts and all these ticks are around right now. I did not bring anything with me to repel ticks. So yeah, that's gonna be a bust on that one, guys. But at the moment, I really need to find a bathroom, and I think we're gonna call it for that video, guys. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Comment what you liked about the video. Comment any things you want me to do more of, see more of. I know it wasn't a crazy adventure today, but you know what? We're getting out there. We're starting it. It was a really nice day today. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed sitting at the beach. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one.